Hello children, I hope you all are safe and fine at your home. So today we will study about the clothes we wear. First of all, why do we need clothes? We need clothes to protect our body from extreme weather conditions including strong winds, intense heat, cold weather, heavy rain, etc. We need to wear clothes because it keeps us safe and comfortable. Also, when we wear neat and clean ironed clothes, we feel pretty. It also enhances our personality. So, we need clothes to cover our body so as to protect ourselves from heat, cold and rain. So there are different types of clothes we wear according to the different conditions. Clothes not only cover our skin but serve many other purposes also. So our clothing depend upon certain factors, and these are weather, occasion, identification, culture and tradition. So according to the weather, like in summer we should wear light colored cotton cloths as we feel happy in that cotton clothes, and cotton cloth soak the sweat produced by our body. And in winter we used to wear heavy woolen clothes to protect our body from the cold. We should wear warm clothes like sweaters to keep ourselves warm. And in rainy season we used to wear raincoats, caps and gumboots to protect from rain. We also carry umbrella in the rainy season. And according to the occasion, we used to wear beautiful colored embroidered clothes, like we used to wear different party clothes in birthdays, in festivals, in wedding ceremonies and in other functions also. We wear colorful party dresses on different occasions. For identification, many different clothes or uniform are worn by people with different professions. We can easily identify people with their uniform. Like as you see in the picture, doctor wear white coat and nurses also wear white uniform. School children wear different school uniform as they can be identified. And according to the culture and the tradition, different types of clothes or different styles of clothes are used by human beings for dressing up. Different culture have their own style of dressing up. Every culture has its own dress code. As in Punjab, men wear turban, and in Rajasthan also men wear turban, but in Punjab and Rajasthan both the turbans are different, so as they can be identified properly. In Maharashtra, women wear saris, and these saris are different in style worn by women in other states. So that's all for today.